Hello everyone, welcome to Rafflesia. We are in the precinct of Bishan District 20, right opposite Singapore's oldest and most reputable school, Raffles Institution, Raffles Junior College, and the newly moved-in Raffles Girls' School at Braddell Rise. There won't be any surprises why Rafflesia is a well-sought-after development. So, before we show you the layout and this two-bedroom unit, let's talk a little bit about Bishan and its surrounding. Bishan is situated in the central region of Singapore, right smack in the center of Singapore map, and is a mature residential township. That means convenience to amenities and easy transport connectivity. This location is popular among homeowners and investors. Rafflesia is just 5 minutes walk to Marymount MRT and just less than 10 minutes to Bishan MRT Interchange station, which serves the North-South line and Circle line. We are 5 stops away from Orchard, as well as Marina Bay and Bayfront. Not forgetting there is also a Bishan bus interchange that provides bus services to other parts of Singapore. We are very near to the largest urban park in Singapore. Junction 8 shopping centre just on top of Bishan MRT has all the daily essentials you will need like the major telco, banks, restaurants, grocery at NTUC fair price, even bubble tea and a cinema. How convenient is that? Home to some of Singapore's prestigious schools, you have none other than RI, RGS, RJC, which I have earlier mentioned, and also within 1 km to Catholic High, Guangyang Primary School, Marymount Convent, and Kuo-Chuan Presbyterian Primary School. Come, now let's go check out the Rafflesia. So, a little about Rafflesia. It is a 99 leasehold built by Far East Organisation TOP in 2003 with 2 tower blocks, total of 230 units, comprises of 2 and 3 bedrooms. Along Bishan Street 21, where Rafflesia is, there are only 2 condominium developments, and housed by landed enclave, absolutely low density and uncongested. Even with only 230 units, homeowners here gets to enjoy full condo facility at a manageable 360 monthly MCST fees for this 2-bedder unit. You have everything here from tennis court, a swimming pool, children playground, and even a parking green. In the Central Plaza, you get a good-sized gym, function room, and study room. Today, let me show you this simple, minimalist 2-bedroom 915 square feet unit that comes with 2 really spacious bedrooms. Both able to fit a queen-size bed, rooms are in regular shape, easy to redesign and furnish. With its original marble and parquet flooring still well preserved, all you need is to sand down, give it a good varnish, and you have a brand new shine. Come, let me show you the master room. Look at how efficient and generous the space is. You have a nice little corner by the window to put a massage chair for you to unwind and relax after a good day's work. From the window here, it looks out to Binchang Rise Park as well, really serene and calm. In my opinion, why this unit is so ideal for the next homeowner. Because it sits on the quiet facing towards Binchang Rise Park and the landed encaves, plenty of privacy that gives you undisturbed rest at home. That really is what coming back home should be. Also, this unit will always enjoy nice cool breeze with northeast orientation without any afternoon sun. If you enjoy cooking and whipping up dishes to host your guests, this enclosed wet kitchen with gas hob and oven is excellent. There are windows here and open door towards the yard area for proper ventilation. Plenty of top-bottom cabinets to store your cutlery and your cookwares. Prefer a modern, open-concept kitchen? Sure, you can knock down this wall here and create a pantry storage in the utility room. Or for families with helper, it fits a single bed and there's a window too. My name is Eirene from Orange Tea and Thai. Call me if you need more information of this beautiful home.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.